Merry Christmas, guys. Civilman23 here. Today we actually have a very special unboxing. We actually have a gift from Santa himself. So we're going to be opening this up today. I do not know what it is, but before we get started, go ahead and leave a like on this video and go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you want to hit the notification bell, that'll let you know of all my new uploads. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so here's the present, and we actually have a letter from Santa. So I'm actually going to read it for you guys. So let's go ahead and read it. Dear Sean, thank you for getting your Christmas wish list into me extra early this year. Without it, I would not have been able to get you this very special gift. Since my elves cannot make this gift themselves, I had to pull some strings and get one reserved for you before it was released, so that we could beat the scalpers that want to ruin Christmas for everyone this year. Don't worry, they are all on the naughty list this year and will be getting coal in their stockings. I have no doubt you will use this gift to its fullest potential in regard to content creation and gaming. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas, and always remember to spread Christmas cheer everywhere you go. Merry Christmas, Santa Claus. Alright, so that is our letter from Santa. So we're going to go ahead and get into this. I wonder what it is. We're about to see, I guess. Holy crap, guys. So looks like we got a GeForce RTX 3070 Gaming X Trio from MSI. So yeah, that's the front of the box there, and we've got the back for you guys. And so I think we're gonna go ahead and get into this. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the box. So up top here, we've got some paperwork. So this is just going to be your normal paperwork, how to upgrade your graphics card. Probably won't need that in your manual and stuff. So, all right. Okay. So we've got our graphics card here. And it also comes with a sag bracket. So if you don't like your graphics card sagging, this is going to help with that sag. So we've got that. And then we just got some pads here. And let's go ahead and get out the graphics card. And this is a hefty boy, guys. It is nice and big. So there is the graphics card. So as you can see, the back plate is matte black, and it's mostly black with a little bit of silver This card is actually 13 inches long. So you're going to want to make sure that you have enough space in your case if you're getting one of these to where it's not going to interfere with anything and you're going to be able to fit it in there. And so you have some RGB on here. You've got a light bar up here, and then the logo also lights up, and I think you also have some RGB lighting right here on the front by the fans. And also you have two 8-pin power connectors right here. So you're going to want to make sure you have the right cables for that. We actually have 3 display ports and 1 HDMI 2.1. Now this HDMI 2.1 is actually really important because you're going to be able to game at 4K 120 Hertz on a TV. What you will need for that though is a 4K TV that's capable of 120 Hertz. And you'll also need to make sure you have a HDMI 2.1 cable. This card is actually supposed to be slightly faster than the RTX 2080 Ti from last generation. The only difference between this card and a 2080 Ti is you're only getting 8 gigabytes of VRAM. Also, this Ampere card has GDDR6 VRAM in it, which is going to be a little bit different from the GDDR6X RAM that the 3080 and 3090 have. This is going to be slightly slower. It's not really going to affect it too much. This is still a really fast card. And then also the recommended power supply for this card is going to be a 650 watt power supply. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the specs on screen. Alright guys, so I know these Ampere cards are hard to get right now, and if you haven't gotten one already, I hope you'll get one soon. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you Santa for this gift. I needed it a lot. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you guys in the next one.